There is so much money to be made on the Base blockchain, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a full-on tutorial with actual rules, with actual coins that will show you how you can make around $10,000 every single month. Now, obviously, guys, there's caveats to this. For example, if the market's crashing, you're not going to make $10,000 a month. In fact, you might actually lose $10,000 a month, right? If you don't know what you're doing. In this video, we're going to be going over a bunch of things like entry-exit strategies, dollar cost averaging, risk management, and 3 different tiers. So there's going to be 3 different tiers in this video in terms of how you should disperse your money. Now, guys, if you don't know who I am, my name is Crypto RJ. I've been full-time in crypto for over 4 years. I pretty much started off with the Binance Smart Chain, and recently I've been heavily involved in the Base blockchain. And guys, it's amazing here. There's a lot of money to be made. It's not like Solana where everyone kind of just rug pulls and scams each other. It is getting a bit trenchier, but I think there's a lot of potential here, and as someone who covers the Base blockchain pretty much daily, I just wanted to make this video for you guys. Okay, so I hope you guys are ready. If you guys do find any sort of value in this video, guys, please do subscribe down below. Strongly recommend, take some notes on some of the numbers I'm mentioning in this video. Properly pay attention, because guys, this is going to be jam-packed with value. Okay, so we're gonna have 3 tiers. So the 3 tiers, guys, it's very simple, right? It's going to be your main blue chip tier, right? Like your main low risk appetite tier. Then you're going to have your medium risk. Then you're going to have your high risk. And guys, there's 3 different ways we're going to play these tiers as well, right? So for example, your long-term bag, your low risk play, that can realistically, it should be Bitcoin, right? But I understand for the sake of just keeping it base, we're only going to talk about base stuff. But it can also be base Ethereum. It could be whatever it may be, okay? But I'm going to show you guys what I think it should be, or what I think it is for me at least, okay? Another thing is, guys, I want to make a very, important announcement maybe. Guys, I could completely be wrong, and we could all go to zero and base could die, whatever, etc, etc. I understand that, right? I get it. So again, regardless of whatever your risk appetite is, guys, please be careful. Only invest money you're willing to lose. And remember, even your long-term bags can go to zero. As someone who's been in crypto for a long time, I know this. We saw Luna, we saw the FTX crashes. Shit can get crazy, okay? Now, with your main longer term plays, guys, these are the plays that you're going to dollar cost average and you're going to hold for the long term, right? You're not going to be checking the price every single day. You're going to kind of set it and forget it, okay? Now in tier 2, you're going to have your medium midterm flips, okay? And these are going to be flips that you might go, with size, right? Like maybe like a couple $1,000, and you're going to want to sell, right? Eventually, when you hit like a 2 to 5x, you're going to want to start taking some profits out and then kind of just see where the markets are, okay? That's exactly how I would play it. And the last one, guys, is going to be your main income generator, in the sense that you're going to do these quick flips, right? You're gonna make quick $200 there, quick $300 there, quick $500 here, and you're gonna keep stacking these little plays brick by brick by brick. And this is what's gonna help you invest money into the second tier. And then with that money from the second tier, you're gonna invest money into the first tier. Okay, so it's all kind of like a conveyor belt. It all works. The system is perfect once you follow it. Okay, now we're gonna go over it. Let's get right into it. So first off, guys, in my opinion, I think the best meme coin on Base is Toshi. Now, if you think it's Brett, completely fine. I don't care. You could literally use Brett instead. Okay, but if you don't have a long-term bag of Toshi, then you might not consider yourself a full-on Base investor. Like I said, if you want to replace this with something even safer like Bitcoin or ETH or even the freaking stock market, by all means, feel free. That is completely fine. And even myself, my portfolio is mainly Bitcoin and Tesla stock, and then Ethereum, right? So with that being said, I've been very, transparent with that. It doesn't have to be Toshi as your main long-term play. This is just an example because we're using Base, okay? So it could be Brett, it could be Toshi. If you want it to be like Ski Mask Dog or something, you could do that. And the reason I like Toshi, guys, is because Coco has been literally teasing so many partnerships coming out this month. It just makes me excited, and there has to be something going on, okay? Now, we're also expecting some more centralized exchange listings and a major Base season in the coming months, with which will follow price predictions for a lot of people, right? And my price prediction for Toshi is definitely multi-billions, okay? I think it can happen, and I think we'll definitely get to new all-time highs and smash them, okay? So that's why I would put Toshi at number 1 for my main list. Now, guys, after Toshi as your main long-term low-risk bag, I really like Broke, okay? Now, Broke is another coin that I've been swing trading a couple times, and I've picked up some Broke at around like 4-ish mil, I believe it was, again, more recently. And guys, if you are in my private Discord, you guys know you guys get instant buy sell alerts anytime I buy or sell something. So you guys already know I bought some Broke in that period, which did actually go up to 2x. But guys, with that being said, By the way, private Discord link is down below. You get instant buy and sell alerts. You also get hours of video content, kind of like this. I'll teach you more strategy stuff instead of coin reviews. So definitely go ahead and check it out. It's cheaper than a daily coffee. Link is down below. But guys, I really like Broke. The team has been killing it. They have had so many exchange listings in the past month that I actually lost count. We could see they also have a busy July planned, it looks like. So obviously the first week of July is pretty much over. It's going to be interesting to see what else they have next. And guys, the dev is literally Doxed. Super, super cool guy. Lots of marketing that they're doing. And yeah, they're just crushing it overall. Okay, so I really like what they're doing over there. And this would be one of my like swing trade plays, guys. And also, there's going to be a bunch of projects that are similar to this, right? So you want to find projects like this. Obviously, guys, finding these type of projects, it's not as easy as 1, 2, 3. But again, if you are in the private Discord, we do find projects like these pretty often. So come through and check us out. Okay, now finally, your income generators. Okay, those are going to be like these Ape Store plays. Now, Ape Store, guys, for those that don't know, is pump fun but for base. Okay, so you want to have this in your repertoire. You want to know how to like trade these because you'll see, for example, Leica is picking up right now, and there's a baby Leica, right? So you're going to use Ape Store to find these like derivative plays, right? You're going to find stuff like baby Leica or ski mask Leica or Leica in me and stuff like that, right? For those that don't already know, with Toshi, I mean, man, I made so much money with these Toshi plays. There was like baby Toshi, ski mask Toshi, purple Toshi, Satan Toshi. Some of them you've probably seen on this channel. Some of them, if you're in my private Discord, you've already seen them. But these type of plays, you're gonna want to hunt them down, find them, and these are going to be your income generators, right? Your quick flips, right? Like a quick 200, 400, 500, 1,000. Sometimes if you really hit big, right? Like with Baby Toshi, I think I walked away with about $3,000. If you find these really, really solid plays, and depending on your risk appetite as well, you can make a lot more with these income generators. I'd argue you could even make $10,000 a month just off of Ape Store if you have the risk appetite and you know what you're doing and you're, pretty much active, right? So guys, that's going to be it. And again, guys, remember, with all of your profits, you're going to want to understand this, right? Take aggressive profits, right? With Ape Store, aggressively take profits, right? With the midterm plays like Broke and, similar size plays, you're going to want to take profits here and there, right? Take initials out, do your thing and comfortably take profits. And with your long-term bag, guys, again, you don't need to take profits as aggressively, but yay, as soon as you hit a 2x, take your initials out, guys. It's going to make you so much more money in the long term. Feel free to take profits because, guys, no one ever went poor taking profits. Now, guys, as a side note, if you are watching this pretty much on the day it comes out, I'm going to be traveling a little bit over the next couple of days. So, might only have like a video a day. If I somehow miss a video, hey, I do apologize, but yeah, I'm going to be on the road. I will be bringing my setup with me, so yeah, hopefully I'll be able to film. But guys, if you did enjoy this video, leave a like, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.